Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. But today is also the last day of Vlogmas. That makes me so sad. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas and let me know if you want me to do it next year again. I'll see you guys next year because this is going to be the last video that I post this year. 2021. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl your hair with a curling iron, and today I'm going to use the T3 Curl ID. So actually, because it's Christmas, I am going to be giving away a brand new T3 Curl ID. So enter the giveaway. This retails for like $250, and T3 Micro actually sent me this new colorway, which is so beautiful, but I already have this exact hair tool and I wanted to give it away on Christmas Day. So yeah, enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram and my TikTok right here. I post a lot of mini videos on there before posting stuff on here on YouTube. So yeah, definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I definitely post on there like pretty much every single day. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and comment down below your Instagram so that I can reach out to the winner through Instagram. So yeah, good luck. And let's get right into curling my hair. So I have my Lucia ID right here. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm just gonna press this button right here. This is like a touch ID type of technology that they have going on. It's pretty cool. This is actually a little bit over an inch. So this is warming up right now, and lately I've been using curling irons a lot more than curling wands because I just feel like it's a lot easier to use. Like my arms get so tired with curling wands, and with curling irons I can just kind of chill a little bit more. You get the hang of it after a while. Like it's very easy to use. So I'm going to show you guys how I use the Curl ID. So my hair tool is warming up right now, the Curl ID. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This is a heat protectant and it also controls frizz. So I'm just gonna add that to my hair. So yeah, this also adds a lot of shine. Try to not talk when you're using this because this makes you cough. Wow, this is strong. Okay. Gonna detangle my hair with my Julie brush. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So I am going to divide my hair into two sections, but I'm actually gonna just divide it like this, like the bottom section first, and then I'm gonna do the top section. This curls my hair so quickly. I love using this hair tool because it's very gentle on my hair and it also gives me pretty tight, long-lasting curls. Look at that shine. That IGK spray is it. I'm telling you, you gotta check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. As you can see, I divided my hair now into two more sections, so I just split it right in the middle. So I'm gonna take this section right here, which is like pretty big in my opinion. My little trick is that you see the clamp right here. You have to put the clamp not facing your face but the other way. So if you're facing the mirror, just make sure that the clamp is also facing the mirror. So just place your hair like this with the clamp in the front, and that way it's going to curl away from your face. So slowly start opening the clamp and bringing in the hair. So open a little bit, bring it in, open a little bit, bring it in, and then just let it kind of sit there for a couple of seconds. I would say about 10 seconds. I have this in a pretty high heat setting, so I don't have to leave it on my hair for too long. So I'm just going to release the curl, slowly open the clamp, and there you have it. Look at that beautiful curl. I just love it. Like this literally leaves my hair so shiny and it's so easy to use, this curling iron. Now I'm going to clip this curl. I'm going to set it. I always do this because my curls just last a lot longer this way. So I take my thumb and I bring it in the curl. You see that? And then you just kind of like finish twisting it up to the scalp. Take a clip and just clip it to your roots. Just like that. Very simple. Right here, I can even do a whole section if I wanted to, but I'm going to divide it in two sections. So yeah, this is the next section that we're going to work on. So the clamp, remember, has to be in the front. not like this. It has to be in the front. And always try to start from pretty high up. Don't go like this and just think that that's gonna work. I mean, maybe it's gonna work. It's gonna give you a little bit of a curl, but you're gonna get a way more consistent and nice curl if you start from pretty high up and then just slowly start feeding it and bringing in the hair. So yeah, it's very easy to curl your hair with a curling iron. Here's another one. I'm gonna set this curl. Like I said, just take your thumb, bring it up, and then clip your hair. Super easy. And you can even just let these curls set for like 30 minutes, an hour, even more if you want. Be careful because you don't want to burn your face. Fun fact, the lady who did my hair for prom burned my face with a curling iron, so be very careful. I had to go to prom with like this side all burnt and all red and stuff. It was just crazy. So be careful with curling irons because they are pretty easy to use, but you also have to be very careful to not like drop it. Okay, so now let's do this side. This side is a little bit different. It's pretty much like the same thing, honestly. So you just take the curling iron and same thing, just put the iron like this, like the clamp has to be in the front. So you hold it, bring it in, open it, bring it in, open it, bring it in. I like to do all my hair, like I don't like to leave the ends out. I feel like some people like that. It looks like a nice and wavy, natural curl, but like a beach curl, but I don't like it. I like to curl all my hair all the way to the ends. So just slowly release the curl. And there you have it. So pretty. I just love it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set the curl again. You see how easy it is to use a clamp? Like, you just have to practice. I know it can look a little bit hard and intimidating because these irons can really burn you. You have to be careful. If you're a little bit scared of like burning your face or burning your fingers or whatever, then maybe get something like the Tracee Spin and Curl, which is kind of like a tool that sucks in your hair and you don't have to even touch anything. You just touch a button and it pretty much curls your hair for you. So if you want something like that, I'm gonna link that down below. But I mean, if you practice, you should be fine. So yeah, definitely enter the giveaway if you want to win this curling iron. I love it, and it has a really cool ID technology. So you basically just put in what type of hair you have, like your hair texture, the length of your hair, I think, and if it's like color treated or not, and then it's gonna pick the best heat setting for you. So for me, it definitely picks like the highest heat setting, which is fine. I mean, I kind of figured because I have pretty thick curly hair, and I feel like the curls are like not too tight, but tight enough because it just looks so natural, so shiny. I mean, look at that. It looks so nice. I just love it so much. And at the end, you guys will see how it's gonna look. Like my hair is gonna look pretty nice and curly. Like I might even have to use a comb. I might use this one later to kind of loosen up the curls a little bit. I'll probably end up doing my hair like this for maybe New Year's. So this is a good little tutorial to have for New Year's if you wanted to curl it. This is where you gotta be super careful. Just try to keep it away from your face, you know? Just don't rush things when you're using a curling iron. Try to just be very careful and take your time. But it's so nice to use curling irons because your arms are just like a lot more relaxed. Like when I use a wand, I have to be like this the whole time, or most of the time, and that can get tiring after a while. And I love curling wands because they give you such a nice, natural looking, soft curl. And I have some that I really like, but lately I've just been into curling irons. So now I'm gonna do the top section. If you guys are wondering where I got this top from, it's from Shein, from their premium line, which is called Motif. And oh my god, their premium line is so good. Like their stuff is incredible. Like this is a silk top and it's so soft and it just looks so fancy. I just thought it would be perfect for today's video. I'm actually gonna join that curl with this one. I do that sometimes too. Like I'll just curl 2 sections and then join them together. Merry Christmas. And yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do Vlogmas again next year. I love doing Vlogmas. It's a lot of work, but it's so worth it. I just love it so much. So as you can see, I just joined both curls, and now I'm just gonna bring them up. I'm gonna clip this. So there you go. I just clipped those 2 sections, and I'm just gonna keep going. So this one's a pretty big section, so I'm gonna do this section so you guys can see. That's what I like about this curling iron, that you can take big sections and you're able to curl your hair so quickly. I curl my hair in maybe like 15 minutes. Like, it's so fast. I don't even need to leave the hair tool on my hair for too long because it curls it so quickly. That works too. And later, if you want to loosen it up with the comb, you can also do that. Alright guys, so I let these set for a little bit and I'm going to release the curls. So I'm going to take these off. And there you have it. So pretty. Super easy to do. I'm going to link these clips down below. I got them from Amazon. Super affordable. I love them. Look at that. So bouncy. I just love it. So yeah, as you can see, the curls are so nice and shiny, bouncy. I'm gonna straighten this little bit right here because since I have pretty curly hair, the roots get a little bit ugly sometimes. So I'm just gonna straighten it real quick. So I'm literally just straightening the roots a tiny bit, not messing up the curl. So yeah, these are the curls that you get with this curling iron. As you can see, they look so nice and bouncy, shiny, healthy. I just absolutely love the T3 Curl ID. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of this oil from Olaplex, a little tiny bit, just to kind of control flyaways. I'm literally going to use just that much, and I'm going to rub it in my hands. I'm going to start from the bottom, and then I'm going to use whatever is left at the top. Oh my god, I just love how my hair turned out. I love it. I mean, if you want, you can use this comb. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out, just to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. So pretty. It even gave me a little bit of volume. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Here's the final look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love the results. I think it looks very like elegant. I really like how it looks with this silk top. I think these curls are perfect for the holiday season. And yeah, what do you guys think? I love it. I think it looks so nice and shiny and healthy. Definitely check out the products that I'm going to be linking down below in the description box and enter the giveaway so that you can win the T3 Curl ID. I love this hair tool. That's literally like my go-to curling iron at the moment. I just love it so much. It's so easy to use. The curls are also very long lasting, and my hair just looks pretty healthy every time I use T3 Micro hair tools. Like literally every single hair tool that I use from T3 Micro makes my hair look so shiny and healthy. I don't know how they do it, but they really have amazing hair tools. So check out the products that I'm going to be linking down below. If you guys want to shop any of the stuff that I mentioned in this video, it's going to be down below in the description box. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Oh my god, my next video is going to be in 2022. It's sad. Vlogmas is over. Oh my god, I can't believe it. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in 2022. Mwah. Bye bye. Happy New Year.